If you're nearing retirement or already retired, you've likely heard of Roth IRA conversions. But how do you make them work for you in retirement, especially when it comes to protecting and growing your wealth? This strategy can be a powerful tool, but only if it's applied correctly. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how Roth IRA conversions can benefit you, help lower your tax burden, and why it's a smart move for many retirees. Stick around until the end, because I'll also explain why more retirees are turning to gold IRAs as a crucial part of their retirement planning. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and I'll explain why in just a moment. Roth IRA conversions are a strategy that allows you to transfer money from your traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA. The benefit? When you eventually withdraw the funds in retirement, they're tax-free. But here's the thing, you'll have to pay taxes on the amount you convert in the year you make the transfer. This can sound intimidating, but there are ways to make this work to your advantage. For one, Roth conversions are particularly useful for those of you who might expect a lower tax rate in retirement. If you're retired, have a lower income, and expect your tax rate to go up in the future, converting now could be a way to lock in a lower rate and avoid higher taxes down the road. Plus, there are no required minimum distributions, RMDs, with Roth IRAs, unlike traditional IRAs, which means more flexibility with your withdrawals. But what if you're thinking about keeping your money in a traditional IRA or 401k? While those are great options for tax-deferred growth, they don't offer the same long-term benefits as Roth IRAs. For example, once you hit the age of 73, you'll have to start taking RMDs from those accounts, whether you need the money or not. With a Roth IRA, you can avoid those required withdrawals, giving you greater control over your retirement income and reducing the potential for taxes to pile up when you don't need them. Now, there's another reason Roth conversions are ideal for retirees, especially those with significant savings. If your nest egg has grown to 100K or even 5 million plus in retirement accounts, it's crucial to consider how you'll minimize taxes and optimize your wealth. Converting a portion of that to a Roth IRA allows your investments to continue growing tax-free. But you need to be strategic. You don't want to convert too much at once and push yourself into a higher tax bracket. Timing is everything here. Consider converting during years when your income is lower, such as in the early years of retirement before you start drawing Social Security. This can help you keep your tax burden lower while still taking advantage of the Roth IRA benefits. It's also worth noting that the benefits of Roth IRAs go beyond tax savings. Because you don't have RMDs, you can allow your investments to grow longer without being forced to tap into them. This can help you maximize your wealth, leaving more for your heirs, especially if you plan on leaving the account as part of your estate. However, while Roth conversions offer substantial benefits, there's one more strategy I want to share with you today: gold IRAs. If you're serious about safeguarding your retirement, a gold IRA is one of the best ways to hedge against inflation and market downturns. Many retirees are moving a portion of their retirement savings into gold IRAs, as it offers stability that traditional assets like stocks and bonds can't provide. You'll want to be aware of how gold IRAs can work alongside Roth conversions, which is why getting the free guide linked below can provide clarity and strategic insight tailored to your specific situation. So, if you're looking to protect your savings, especially if you've built up 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even if you have 5 million plus in savings, consider the power of Roth IRA conversions and gold IRAs as part of your strategy. Click the link in the description for the free guide and get started on protecting your wealth today. It's never too late to make strategic moves to secure your financial future.